Hello friends, welcome to this session of Learning R Programming. In this session, we are going to learn how to export data or code and output to MS Excel, text format or Word format. Let's start. For this session, we are going to use this data. This data has been collected during a biochemistry experiment, assay of polyphenol content in food samples. This data has four numeric vectors. Concentration, which has concentration in the range from 0 to 100, separated by 20. Then read 1 is the replicate reading, read 2 and read 3 are also the replicate reading of absorbance. We will add this data to a data frame df, the assignment operator, function data.frame, and cons read 1, read 2, third vector read 3, and run that. And we have the data frame ready. Let's see the data frame df, run, and we have data frame with 4 columns: concentration, read 1, read 2 and read 3. Here we will export this data frame to CSV file. For that we'll require the function write.csv, and this function is available as base R. Here the first argument is the data frame df and the second argument is the name in which we want to save our file, and this name is, I will just write as export csv.csv. This extension is required, and this file will go to our working directory, and my working directory is my working folder, that is H drive, RWorks, RTraining, and this dates folder. I will run that, and we can see the exported file here in this folder. This is my working folder, and export CSV file is there. And we can see that data file has got exported properly along with the row names. This row name column is additional column added as default of the write.csv function. We can avoid this. Close this file, and in our script just add row.names to false and run that. See the file for the result. That row name column is not there. To save file in XLSX format, we will need package XLSX, and we will install that using this command install.packages, and in inverted quotes XLSX is there. Alternatively, you can go to tools menu, install packages, and type the package name there and click install. Package will get installed. Okay, I have installed it. I will not install it again. And you have to learn library XLSX. The same function write.csv we will modify little to get the file exported in XLSX format. Here I will type the name XLSX, and here also I will write.xlsx and run that. File will get exported to my working directory. I will go to my working directory and we'll see the file, that export CSV Microsoft Excel format this is, and the same file is there. Okay. Here we have added the specification row.names is equal to false. If that is true, then row names will be there. We can have the sheet name also, sheet name, and here I will put the sheet name as assay data. Run that. Okay, file is open. I will close the file and then only file will be modified. Again run, and file got exported. Excel format is there, and this XLSX file is there, and sheet number is assay data, and sheet name is assay data. Packages like RTF, report RS, officer are available to create Word files with various extensions, but these are not that easy to use, and even the package report RS has been discontinued and removed from CRAN. But if you still need your data from R exported to Word, this roundabout will help. I will copy this write XLS function entire code line and paste that here, and here we'll change that XLSX to table. Write.table function we are going to use, and here the file name I will make that export text, and extension I will change to txt. Is equal to false. Sheet name I will not use, and here I will put sep or separator is equal to, in inverted code, comma, so that I will have commas between the values. And we'll see in the file that export text file is there. See the file, and this file is there. Now I will copy this and will take that to Word, new file, and paste that text output in Word format. We'll select all, we'll go to insert, table, then convert text to table, and here that comma has been selected automatically, and all those other things are also selected automatically. I will click OK, and this table is there. You can modify this table in Word as per your requirement. This is how we can export our data to Excel or Word. That's it for this session. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and press bell icon if you want notification of my new videos. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.